Now, singing without instrumental backing is nothing new for Pacific people, but a cappella group Kalapa Samoana are taking it to a new level.
They're winging their way to Croatia right now. Karima Faiai has more.
A cappella's their strong suit. But this is no ordinary a cappella group.
I heard this kind of music that was klapa music, and it was a different sort of thing. It was like a whole bunch of guys jamming. So I just wanted to try it out, and so I was like, okay, you guys come here, we'll try this out, see how it works.
Klapa is a form of a cappella group singing from southern Croatia. Klapa groups can include as many as 12 singers who focus largely on vocal harmony and fellowship.
A klapa group actually originally is about a whole bunch of friends. That's how it starts. And then friends start drinking, and then when they're drinking, then they start singing, and when they sing, then they decide, oh, we actually sound okay. I think about barbershop, there is, that kind of showmanship which is needed, all of that. Klapa music is very much directed the other way around. You're not expected to look out into the audience, you're supposed to expected to look out into each other and let the music carry it and the story. And so that's one of the big differences.
Hoping to draw more Pacific people to the genre, Kalapa Samoana have been blending the style with traditional Polynesian songs.
The chords and everything that we use are very similar to what they use. The language is just a bit harder. Samoan has a whole lot of words, to say one small thing.
There actually is a lot of common things that they both have. I know a lot of us are passionate when we sing our Pacific music, the same with Croatian. So I guess in that sense we're able to adapt to it easier than what we would have thought.
Founded by Christian Malietoa Brown, the group's made up of friends who sang together in the school choir.
You've seen the development in these boys here and how they've gone from one level to another, and it's amazing to see the change and the development.
As a leader of the group, I wish I wasn't a lot of the time, because it's sometimes it's like herding cats. It sounds like the Oriental Express.
Christian, he's serious, strict, a bit too strict sometimes, but yeah. But he's good, he has two sides of him, that serious side when you have to get something done, and sort of muck around sort of type.
We know each other very well. How to annoy each other, how to make each other feel better, and so it's brotherhood in a true sense, I guess.
Kalapa Samoana are currently on tour, performing throughout Europe, finishing with a guest performance at the Omish International Klapa Festival, Croatia, in July.
We're taking their music back to them. If the French came here with a haka and performed it to the Māoris would be like, what?
We can bring something to the Croatians. They appreciate the brown sound, so I'm looking forward to just bringing that to them.
To be able to go there and see that side of the world with these guys that I've been singing with, whose friendship I cherish a lot, and who mean a lot to me, makes it even more of a dream.